Next, divergence of a vector field. Divergence of vector field. So del dot A. Here we using dot product. So before we study gradient of scalar field, there is a scalar field. Here we have vector field. Gradient of a scalar field means del into pi. So del is multiplied with scalar field. Here divergence of a vector field means del dot A bar. Here A bar is a vector. Here pi is a just scalar function. So divergence of vector field means here consider vector field. Vector field means first of all you consider one vector. If A bar is a vector field, is a vector field, then A bar equal to, if A bar is a vector field, we have x component of A, y component of A and z component of A, and with I comma j comma k unit vectors. A suffix x into I, A suffix y into j plus A suffix z into k. This is a vector. Then divergence of A equal to, we can write, then divergence of A equal to, we can write divergence of A. This also we can write divergence of A equal to del dot A bar. So already we know that what is the del operator? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Only del operator. I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Okay, only del operator. Dot A bar means I into A suffix x plus j into A suffix y plus k into A suffix z. Here we have three components, here we have three components. So already we have some rules. I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1 and k dot k equal to 1, and I dot j equal to j dot k equal to k dot I equal to 0. Okay. So here I multiply with I. That means I dot I equal to, we get only 1, I dot j equal to 0 and I dot k equal to 0. Here also j dot I equal to 0, only j dot j equal to 1 and j dot k also we get 0. Similarly k dot k equal to, we get 1, k dot I equal to 0, k dot j equal to 0. From these rules, I dot I into dou A suffix x by dou x plus j dot j into dou A suffix y by dou y plus k dot k into dou A suffix z by dou z. Okay, here I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, k dot k equal to 1. In next step, we can write only dou A suffix x by dou x, okay, plus dou A suffix y by dou y plus dou A suffix z by dou z. Okay, this value 1 and this value 1 and this value also 1. We get only these three terms. Dou A suffix x by dou x plus dou A suffix y by dou y plus dou A suffix z by dou z. This is the final equation. Del dot A bar. Divergence of A equal to, we can write dou A suffix x by dou x plus dou A suffix y by dou y plus dou A suffix z by dou z. So here x component differentiation with respect to x only, y component differentiation with respect to y only, and z component differentiation with respect to z only. This is the divergence of a vector field. Here we considering vector field. Okay. Next, proof. So proof of divergence of vector field. Next, proof. So divergence of a vector field. Divergence of a vector field. Divergence of a vector field is defined as the amount of flux, the amount of the amount of flux per unit volume, per unit volume, diverging from that point, diverging from that point, diverging from that point. So diverging of a vector field is defined as the amount of flux per unit volume diverging from that point. So for this proof, consider one small rectangular vector field. So here I am considering vector A. So vector A have x component, y component and z component. This is the a suffix x component, this is the a suffix y component, and this is the a suffix z component. And this is one phase PQRS, PQRS, and here EFGH, another phase. Okay. So this small rectangular vector field have three dimensions: dx, here dy, and here dz. Okay, and this PQRS have center point N, and this EFGH phase have center point N. So this is the small rectangular vector field. Here we consider one vector a bar with a suffix x, x component, a suffix y, y component, and a suffix z, z component, and three dimensions dx comma dy comma dz, and pqrs is one phase and efgh is another phase with center points m comma n. Next, consider that some flux is that some flux is some flux is entering the pipe, entering the pipe through the phase EFGH, through the phase EFGH. and diverging out of the pipe, diverging out of the pipe through the phase PQRS. Okay. So from one phase entering the flux and from another phase that flux is diverging. Okay, here from EFGH phase the flux are entered and from PQRS phase the flux are diverged. So while traveling from the point C to M, the point center point to M, the change in A suffix X component is, we can write, is dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. So here flux are entering from one phase and diverging from another phase. The two phases are EFGH and PQRS. In between the while traveling from the point C to M, center point to M, the change in A suffix X component is, we can write dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. In next, now the value of vector A, now the value of vector A at the center M is, at the center M is A suffix X plus dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. Okay. So the value of vector A bar at the center M is, we can write A suffix X plus dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. Similarly, the value of A bar, at the center N is, at the center N is given by A suffix X minus dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. So here this is the final value and this is the initial. Okay, so this is the value of vector A at the center M, that is A suffix X plus dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. Next, the value of A bar at the center capital N is given by A suffix X minus dou A suffix X by dou X into dx by 2. This is considered initial value. We have one final value and one is initial value. If you want to total magnitude of vector, we can take final value and initial value. So initial value subtract from final value. Initial value subtract from final value. We get the total magnitude of vector A.